Alright guys, we're back here at Rancho Vistoso Boulevard and Vistoso Highlands Drive. And that button over there, since last time I was over there, it still does the rapid tick and beeps slower than normal. So yeah, here we go.
Wait, traveling east. Walk sign is on.
I can still hear it. Really? Really, bud?
28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23.
Alright, I decided to go back on the other side to get a better video of the button here. And guess what? I should have said more in that last previous video because some idiot blocked the crosswalk when I was trying to cross the street. That lady was lucky I wasn't mad at her or yelling incessantly at her because of what she did. She blocked the crosswalk when I was trying to cross the street.
Wait.
But as you can tell, this one still makes the chirping sound. All the other ones still tell you what direction it's going in. And this button still does the rapid tick. Something that the original, the buttons at Moore Road and Rancho Vistoso used to do until they reprogrammed them twice. I might as well just go ahead and cross until I get across.
Wait, traveling north. Wait, traveling north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait, traveling north. Walk sign is on. Walk sign is on. 7. Wait, 6. Traveling east. 4. Wait, traveling east. Walk sign is on. Walk sign is on. Walk sign is on. 29, 28. Wait, traveling south. Wait.
Okay, this one is actually the right, the direction on the Moore Road one is exactly what this one does. Except for the walk signal. Listen again.
Walk sign is on. Walk sign is on. Walk sign is on.
Alright, now normally the button over here would say traveling west. But since this button has been messed around with so many times, I don't even think it's going to do it ever again. It's just going to do the regular chirping sound. Whatever it's called, I guess. I guess that's it. Actual do this time.